Good afternoon to all my awesome friends. I'm joining in with Martin's Midlife Misadventures, an awesome prepping channel. Please go over and check them out. Now, let's see what Grandma's done today on her prepping video. Hang in there, here we go. Good morning to all my awesome friends and family. It's prepping time. Now, the only thing I would not really call it a prepping item really is these little mini cherry pies, but my husband wanted them and I just threw them in to show I do buy some goodies from my husband. So this week's goodies were the little mini cherry pies. Thank heaven I don't like them that well, so I didn't eat any of them. When you have diabetes, it's better to find something you don't want to eat so family members can have what they want and you aren't being tempted. That was not a temptation for me, so that was good. Now, you know, I'm still trying to stock up on toilet paper and paper towels. Now, I don't have that many paper towels ahead because we don't really use a lot. I think I have one large container and this one, so now I have two of just paper towels. These Scott toilet paper, this makes number 5. Because we use a lot more, so I probably am going to buy at least one more of each, and that should be enough for 6 months, hopefully. Even though it says one roll will last 20 weeks, there is no way that will last 20 weeks in my home, even with 2 people. A roll of toilet paper in my house maybe last 2 to 3 days at the most, so I think it should be one roll a day, really. But the one good thing about Scott paper towels, and I shouldn't say paper towels, toilet paper, it doesn't mess up my plumbing. That's why last year when you couldn't get toilet paper, I just had to buy whatever I could find, and I had to have the plumber come out twice, unstop my plumbing. So that isn't going to happen this year with me. Even if we don't have any problems finding toilet paper, it's still fine. At least I have plenty ahead, and I just won't be spending money for toilet paper. And another thing is gas has went up to a ridiculous amount of money, and it's probably going to go up a lot more this coming year. So getting ahead on some of this is probably going to save me money also in the long run, because these items probably will go up in price. Probably what I should do is take some pictures of the prices and then go back a few months later and see how much they're actually going up. I'm sure they're going up because gas was at I think $2.89 the beginning of this year, and we haven't even gotten through the whole year yet. And we're over, I don't know, like, I'd have to really look back, maybe $4.20 or something a gallon or something already. So, you know, it's going up. We'll just have to wait and see how bad it gets. And there's nothing we can do about it, so there's no sense complaining. So I'm just making do the best I can. I do like this Lipton green tea with berries in it. And this doesn't have any sugar either, so it's really great. I don't know if any of you have tried it, but it tastes really good, and I really enjoy it. And because I don't know how hard, it may not even going to be a problem, but I'm preparing in case there might be. I got a bunch of cold medication. We're heading into winter. I've already gotten 2 colds in the last 6 weeks, so there's a lot of cold germs running around. And usually I get 1 cold a year, and I've already had 2 this year. So that's not saying much for my mask and everything, and washing my hands thoroughly, and staying away from people. Period. Not like I'm really hanging out with a lot of people, but still, the germs are out there. So we just do the best we can. Like I said, I'm stocking up on stuff, and because we're heading into winter, I got some lip balm for my lips to keep everything nice and soft. And I got not too much canned goods this week. I got 2 cans of refried beans, and I got 6 cans of minestrone because that's my husband's favorite soup. Last year it was missing for about 4 months, so we'll see what happens. I haven't found it to be true yet at where I live. They say tomato products are going to start running short on. I don't know if that's true or people are just scaring us, but I bought 4 cans of tomato sauce from my prepping pantry. You know, I'm just going to buy a little here and a little there, and I'm not going to get myself in a state and do massive stocking up because it's ridiculous. I want to make sure I'm not going to have food going bad also. The only thing that I would say I've spent a lot of money on is probably toilet paper and paper towels, because I am not letting happen to me happen last year. Probably will start stocking up on cleaning products maybe next week. We can only do so much at a time when you live on a short income. Okay, then I did get some rice. I got some white rice, and it's GMO free and gluten free. And I also got the same on the brown rice too. Sadly to say, I did hear that brown rice doesn't stay as long as white rice. But I hear that brown rice is supposed to be healthier for you, so I got one of each. And I know people have said I could buy larger containers, but there's just me and Grandpa, and there's no sense in me buying more than this. This is a 5-pound bag of rice. This rice, the 2 bags I have here, and see, this is 1 pound. This is 1 pound of rice, and this is 5 pounds. That's 6 pounds of rice. This rice will probably, just these 2 bags, will probably last me and my husband 6 months. I don't really see any sense in buying much more than this. I do have part of 1 bag still in the pantry already open, and maybe we'll see what happens. I might buy another bag of white rice when this one gets maybe like a 4th gone. I don't want to be getting panic stricken. I do have limited space for storage. Some things I use all the time, like pasta, rice. So, but I am a diabetic. I'm not supposed to be eating it every day. So I try to cut down and not eat it quite as much as I used to. But still, I do like it, and my husband likes it, and I can't be running a restaurant here, and we do have to live on a budget. And the great thing about pasta and rice, you can make so many dishes, and they all look and taste so much different just by what you put in it. So they are great things to have in your pantry if you have a great selection of things you can have for dinner. Well, this is all I got this week in my prepping video. Thank you so much, my dear friend, for stopping by. Love you all. Take care. Bye-bye for now.